Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the world class manufacturing. World class manufacturing, it is your subject in a production and operation management. In that the world class manufacturing we have seen how to make product world class. Different techniques is there. So first of all we have to see what is the world class manufacturing. World class manufacturing is based on a systematic reductions of all the type of cost and loss from the contributions of all employees and the precise use of methods, standards and tools required by the world class productions. तो जनरली क्या होता है कि वर्ल्ड क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक ऐसे सिस्टमैटिक टेक्निक्स है, इसके बेस पर हम रिडक्शन कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि कॉस्ट हम रिडक्शन कर सकते हैं, हमारे जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के जो प्रोडक्शन लॉसेस है वो हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशंस ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ एंड जो हमारी प्रीसियस मेथड है, जो हमारी स्टैंडर्ड मेथड रहेगी, वो मेथड यूज करके हम हमारे प्रोडक्ट को वर्ल्ड क्लास बनाएंगे। तो उसके लिए हमें डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स यूज करना है। तो वो डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स कौन कौन सी रहने वाली है, तो ये सब चीज़ें हम इस यूनिट में देखने वाले हैं। तो बेसिकली फ्रॉम दी वर्ल्ड क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज द फिलोसफी ऑफ बीइंग द बेस्ट एंड द फास्टेस्ट एंड लोवेस्ट कॉस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज। In that it implies to constant improvement of the product as well as process and services to remain an industrial leaders and provide the best choice for the customers. The main parameter of the world class manufacturing are the quality, cost effective, flexibility and innovations. These are the main parameter of world class manufacturing. In that the world class manufacturers implement robust control techniques. There are the some techniques is there, so this technique we will be see later. So in that the video you can show leaders is there, what is the functions of leaders, what leader will be do the actions on the particular product and particular systems, that the thing is there. Then the basic concept of world class manufacturing, the world class manufacturing is the collections of concept which set standard for the production and manufacturing for the another organizations to flow. That is called the world class manufacturing. In that the world class manufacturing, the world class manufacturer tend to implement the best practices, also invent new practices as to say about the rest in the manufacturing sectors. हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस जब यूज करेंगे तो हमारा डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली हमारा क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स जो रहेगा वो इम्प्रूव होगा, हमें इनोवेशन के लिए स्कोप मिलने वाला है, तो वो हम इनोवेटिव कर सकते हैं, हमारा डिफेक्ट फ्री प्रोडक्ट वहाँ पे जनरेट होता है, तो हमारा जो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस है वो भी रिड्यूस हो जाएगा। जैसे कि हमारा डिफेक्टिव फ्री हमारा प्रोडक्ट बनता है तो उसमें रिवर्क करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो वो जो टाइम है, वो जो कॉस्ट है, तो वो सब चीज़ें हम यहाँ पे मेंटेन कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग द वर्ल्ड क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। उसके अलावा द मेन फैक्टर्स इसमें आता है फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड इनोवेशंस आल्सो। In that the world class manufacturing some pillars is there. The world class manufacturing pillars, 10 pillars is there. First one is the safety and health. If you want to produce a good from the zero defect with the innovative quality and with the flexible from the man machine method material, so safety and health is a most important pillars in a world class manufacturing. Simultaneously, cost deployment, focus improvement, autonomous activities, professional maintenance, quality controls, logistics, early equipment management, people development, and environment. In that the world class manufacturing, it is the same, it is based on a total productive maintenance, TPM. TPM has 8 pillars and world class manufacturing has 10 pillars. All the world class manufacturing and total productive maintenance based on a 5 years. Simultaneously, in the world class manufacturing, we have to clarity of the object of the key performance inspections. Simultaneously, allocations of highly quality peoples are needed, commitment of the organizations, management commitment, time and budget. This thing we have to also mention in the world class manufacturing. Level of expansions, it is the most important part in the world class manufacturing to reductions of the cost. Then if you want to convert your product in a world class, so we have to need motivated operators. So these are the pillars of world class manufacturing. It is the same as the TPM. So next one is the world class manufacturing is totally based on a total quality management systems. And that the total quality management system, first one is a TIE, total industrial engineers. In that the total industrial engineers, they will be work on innovative things, improvement things, what he want to improve. If there is the problems in a certain machine, so they will be suddenly actions on that and do the zero defect or zero wastage from that the particular production process flow. The total quality management, it is also needed in the world class manufacturing to reduce the defect free product. Simultaneously, total productive maintenance, it is the best technique in Japan, India, and simultaneously whether where it is the manufacturing industry produce this quality of goods. The total productive maintenance, it has 8 pillars. In that the 8 pillars, Kaizen and then autonomous maintenance are the JH implementations, and 5 years are the most basic part in the total productive maintenance. By using the total productive maintenance, we can convert the actions zero fault. By using the TPM, we can produce the zero fault, zero cost of production, zero cost of कॉस्ट ऑफ मीन्स उसमें क्या आएगा कि आपकी जहाँ पे भी कॉस्ट एक्सेसिव जा रही है तो वो कॉस्ट हम यहाँ पे टीपीएम में रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज अ JIT, means just in time. The just in time, it will be reduce the wastage of material or reduce the wastage of inventories. So zero stock maintained by using the just in time methods. And the cost deployment will be helpful for the world class manufacturing. In that the world class manufacturing, some techniques are there. The make to order, streamline flow, smaller lot size, collect of part. These techniques, in by using this technique we can convert our goods in a world class manufacturer. In that the techniques, the total preventive maintenance, quick replacement of the product, zero defect of our product, whatever we have to do in a just in time, increase the consistency of the productions, whatever we decided the activities, higher employment involvement. Whenever we have to convert or we have to grow our industry, then the higher in employee involvement are needed. The world class manufacturing will be helpful for the involvement of the peoples. Cross functional team, CFT team will also helpful for the improvement of our product quality. Multi skilled employees, visual signaling, and statistical process controls, all these techniques will which will be helpful for the improvement our industry in the converted to the world class. The some principles of world class manufacturing, there are the mainly three main principles which drive world class manufacturing. Number one, first, implementations of just in time and lean manufacturing leads to reduction in wastage, thereby reduction in cost. By using the JIT and lean manufacturing, we can reduce in wastage and reduction in the cost. Second one is implementations of total quality management lead to reductions of defect. TQM, it is the best technique to reducing the defect. In that the TQM 8D means top oriented 8D top oriented discipline in 8 disciplines. In that the 8D format, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपको एक पर्टिकुलर डिफेक्ट है, एक प्रोडक्ट में डिफेक्ट है, वो डिफेक्ट को फाइंड आउट करना होता है कि वो डिफेक्ट क्यों आया है। तो उसमें 8D में हम वाई वाई एनालिसिस यूज़ करेंगे। तो इस टेक्निक की वजह से हमारा जो भी प्रोडक्ट है इट विल बी डायरेक्टली कन्वर्टेड इनटू द वर्ल्ड क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। Third one is the implementations of total preventive maintenance lead to any stoppage of production through the mechanical failures. Whatever uh, whatever defect generate or whatever problems generate in a mass production system, batch production system and job production system. So by using the TPM, total preventive maintenance, by using the TPM, we can stop this failures by using mechanical, electrical, and whatever defect or whatever failure generate in the production system. There are the 16 type of defects. So it will be see in a another one or next lectures. So aspect of world class manufacturing. In that the aspect of world class manufacturing, industrial culture areas, markets, client area, product development areas, operations area and e-performance area. Whenever we have to implement the world class manufacturing or we have to develop our product in the world class, so this aspect we have to consider in our mind. There is some another world class manufacturing. In that the pictures ERP module, then the in that the ERP module economical resource planning, how to maintain the economical resource planning in the world class manufacturing. When we have to manufacturing executive systems, then the how to manufacturing process management and what product data management will be done by using the CAD, then the EBOM and PLM systems. These are the different techniques in the world class manufacturing. So students, today we see in the introductions of world class manufacturing, it is our subject title's name. In next lecture we will see operational excellence and methodology of operational excellence, different type of techniques in there we have to see in the operational excellence. Thank you.